So we're about making chinchin, and mommy's younger father is sieving the flour, and of course they are all here because they'll be helping me out. This is Mr. Chebi, the youngest son. This is big bro, and they are all ready to help.
Chebi is doing it well. Down, Chebi, down. Down. I'm doing it down now. Down, down. Down, down. Chebi, down like this.
Good job. So we are all helping mommy to make chinchin. Mommy wants to do her business chinchin. She has a bulk command and order for the chinchin just came in, and the boys are helping me out. So I'm taking you guys along. So we are doing ×7 mixture. This is 0, and we are going to take 437.5 grams of butter. And this is ×7 mixture for chinchin. Let's go. So butter is 400. To remove it from this thing I'm mixing. Dry hands. Get something and wipe it. Mix inside. Put your chair closer. If you are going to dirty yourself now for nothing, be mixing that thing well. So we are mixing now the butter and the flour until it looks like breadcrumbs. That's when they will stop mixing. So go ahead. The boys are learning how to make chinchin. All along they have always been observing me do it. Today I want them to touch so that they cannot forget. You know, when you touch, it sticks in your head, right?
Yes. Yes.
See this.
Wow, put it on.
Baby, be mixing inside. Don't make it to go down.
Inside.
Well, stop making flour on Jordan's face.
Sorry. Now, what? You're not throwing on the floor now.
Very soon, all of you will just go.
You're throwing it on my leg. No.
Mix until it looks like breadcrumbs. That's when we can start adding the other things.
Mom, Saturday.
Lift your head up before you say it.
Mom, Saturday. Only Saturday.
So at this point, it actually looks now like breadcrumbs. So the boys have mixed it very well. We are going to add in the baking powder, nutmeg,
It's okay.
and we are going to add the other dry ingredients inside before we start adding all the wet. So now we are adding in the rest of the dry ingredients, and this is some baking powder. We need 7 tsp of baking powder. That's 1.
That's 2.
That's 2.
That's 3.
That's 3.
That's 4.
That's 4.
That's 5. That's 5.
That's 5.
That's 6. That's 6.
That's 6.
That's 7.
And of course 7. So you guys should mix. So a pinch of salt goes in. So we are going to use 4 eggs for ×7 mixture. Yeah, normally I'm supposed to use 3.5, but what do I do with the other half? So we'll just put the 4. I hope you're enjoying the video already. The boys are making their chinchin. I'm just guiding them. So this is 245 milligrams of of milk and 4 eggs. 245 milligrams of milk and 4 eggs mixed together to be stirred inside our. So I just poured in the eggs and the milk inside the flour. So we are going to mix this again before adding in sugar. Of course, I'm going to use warm water, really hot water, to dilute the sugar. So that's 700 grams of sugar for our 7 mixture. This is warm water mixed with the sugar. I'm trying to dilute the sugar, so after everything is well diluted, we are going to pour this inside the flour, and I think this is the last stage. We mix properly and then we go and start cutting our chinchin. That's how you'll see the outcome, guys. So big bro is still mixing. Mix and create a hole in the middle so I can pour the sugar and water inside. So I just pour the mixture inside, and it's at this stage that you have to mix very fast, else when it's strong now all that power no day again for mixing. Mix.
Jason, what the?
Mix and mix. Stay your hand right under and mix very well. Give it a thorough mix. Points, the others did not want to leave big bro to mix alone, so they all got involved, and that's the mixture that's taking place there. Anyway, mixing and mixing. So this is what we have here. The boys have gone to clean their hands because very soon we are starting to cut. You have to just leave it to stand for a bit, like 5 minutes. Let the dough set well, and then we start cutting. You could still cut right away, but I just love to just leave it for some time before I cut. So this is it, times 7 mixture chinchin. I'm sure it's going to give me like 10 bottles or more. A bottle is 2,000 francs. For long shapes, square, cube shapes are 2,500. So what's your order? I hustle, they hustle. I hustle, they hustle. There's one lady that has been disturbing me about chinchin until she's so happy when I told her today that I'm making chinchin. Don't they hustle again? No, the hustle is real. My boys did a wonderful job, and this is the outcome. So crunchy. It literally melts in the mouth. Oh my god. You need to taste this. You need to have a taste of this.